Hello guys, so in this video we are going to create this marble sculpture in ChatGPT. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. So the first step to achieve this effect is to head over to our web browser. If you are using Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, or whatever browser you are using, you open the browser and you type ChatGPT. So once you type ChatGPT and search, you click on the first link that pops up and it's going to take you straight to the ChatGPT website. If you don't have an account, there will be a prompt for you to create one. Once you are done creating the account, you are good to go. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in an image. We want whatever we are coming to do to look exactly like us. So we are going to bring in our image for ChatGPT to know how or what we want our generation to look like. So you click on the plus icon, click on upload from computer, and you select your image. Over here my image is on my desktop, so I'll select the desktop folder, scroll through and select the image. Once the image is selected, you click on open and it's going to load for a while. Okay, so it's downloading. Once it's downloading, you add in your prompt. So to add a prompt, the ask anything section over here is a text area, so you just click in it and you see a cursor blinking. So that is where we are coming to input the prompt. So this is the prompt we are coming to use. I'll leave it in the description for you to edit it and use it. So this is the prompt: a photorealistic image of an ultra detailed sculpture of the subject in image made of shining marble. The sculpture should display smooth and reflective marble surface, emphasizing its luster and artistic craftsmanship. The design is elegant, highlighting the beauty and depth of marble. The lighting in the image should enhance the sculpture's contours and textures, creating a visually stunning and mesmerizing effect. Don't worry, if you can't remember all this or it's too long for you to type, I'll leave it in the description so that you can just copy and paste it in ChatGPT. So once you are done, you click on this top arrow over here and the magic is going to begin. So it's going to load for about a minute depending on the traffic on the system. If there are a lot of people using the system, it's going to keep longer, but if there are a few people on the system, it's going to move way faster. So I'm going to forward this part of the video to the last end, or to where the generation is complete. Okay, so this is how to create a marble sculpture in ChatGPT. You can see it looks very realistic and it looks like a marble sculpture, like an ancient Greece marble sculpture. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.